Good afternoon, dear students. Today we will continue with GK, page 40, India and its food. Indian food is different from rest of the world, not only in taste but also in cooking methods. It reflects a perfect blend of various cultures and ages. Just like Indian culture, food in India has also been influenced by various civilizations, which have contributed their share in its overall development and the present form. Match the specialities with the state famous for them. Column A, Puran Poli. It is famous in Maharashtra. H. Kalori kebab is famous in Uttar Pradesh. G. Vindaloo is famous in Goa. F. Halim is famous in Andhra Pradesh. E. Lal Mans is famous in Rajasthan. D. Rogan Josh is famous in Jammu and Kashmir. D. Chingri Machar Malai Curry is famous in West Bengal. It is A. And Litti is famous in Bihar. C. More to know, dosha is a fermented crepe or pancake made from rice batter and black lentils. Dosha was originated in the Karnataka state. Next we have important historical dates. First one is 326 BC. Answer is G. Alexander's invasion in India. 305 BCE. Defeat of Seleucus by Chandragupta Maurya. 273 BC. F. Accession of Ashoka. 1025 AD. D. Destruction of Somnath temple by Mahmud of Ghazni. And fifth one is 1236 AD, that is A. Accession of Razia Sultana on the throne of Delhi. Sixth one, 1526 AD, C. First Battle of Panipat, foundation of Mughal rule in northern India. Then we have seventh one, 1556 AD, that is I. Second Battle of Panipat. And the eighth one, 1576 AD, H. H is Battle of Haldighati. And 1761 AD. Answer is B. Third Battle of Panipat. 10th one, 1857 AD. O. Indian Mutiny. And 11th one, 1885 AD. That is P. Foundation of Indian National Congress. 1905 AD. Answer is T. Partition of Bengal. 13th one, 1911 AD. Q is the answer. Delhi becomes the capital. 14th one, 1914 to 1918 AD. J is the answer. First World War. 15th one, 1921 AD. R is the answer. Incident of Chauri Chowra. And 16th one, 1930 AD. Yes is the answer. Dandi March by Mahatma Gandhi. And 17th one, 1935 AD. K is the answer. Government of India Act. 18th is the 1939 to 1945 AD. N is the answer. This is the Second World War. 19th one, 1942 AD. L is the answer. Quit India movement. And 20th, 1952 AD. M is the answer. First general elections to the Lok Sabha. That is the answer. So before 1911, the capital of India was Calcutta or Kolkata. India became a republic on 26th January 1950 when our constitution came into force. The first president of Indian rule was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, and in 1929, resolution of complete independence was passed at the Lahore session of Congress. Indian states and union territories, page 42. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. Please check it, 8 union territories. Look at the political map of India and answer the following questions. Which is the biggest state of India? Biggest state is Rajasthan. which is the smallest state, Goa, which is the most populous state of India, Uttar Pradesh, which is the easternmost state of India, Arunachal Pradesh. Which state is called abode of clouds? Yes, Meghalaya. Which is the westernmost state of India? Of course, Gujarat. Which state comes, which states from the boundary with Pakistan form the boundary with Pakistan? Gujarat, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab. 4 states. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab. Which states surround Bangladesh? West Bengal, Tripura, Meghalaya and Assam. Here also 4 states. Which are they? West Bengal, Tripura, Meghalaya and Assam. When the Sikkim incorporated in Indian Union and became a state of India, it is in 1975. Name the 3 new states of India which were earlier parts of Madhya Pradesh, Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. They are Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and Uttarakhand. Now on the next page, 43, we have Indian politics. The symbols given, we have to write the names of the parties. Elections in the world's largest democracy is no simple task. So, which is the world's largest democracy? In India. Every 5 years, millions of Indians above the age of 18 come together to exercise their constitutional right to vote for whom they want to run our country. So, men and women above 18 years old can vote. Do you recognize the political party by its symbol? Symbols of the political parties are given. We have to write the names of the name of the party. Cycle is Samajwadi Party, elephant, Bahujan Samaj Party, the sickle and the hammer, Communist Party of India, the palm, Indian National Congress, balance, Shiromani Akali Dal. Then we have umbrella, Sikkim Democratic Front, lantern, Rashtriya Janata Dal, RJD. Then we have the lotus, we already know, Bharatiya Janata Party, and the bow and the arrow, Jharkhand Mukti Morcha. More to know, Aam Aadmi Party is an Indian political party launched on 26 November 2012. Aam Aadmi in Hindi means common man, reflecting the party's populist focus. It is focusing on the people. This party was formed to give common man a voice and an alternative to the existing political bigwigs such as the Congress and Bharatiya Janata Party. To give alternative to this party, this was formed.